Hello folks, we come to the part 5 video of this miscellaneous exercise of this chapter 8. The last two questions, they are asking us to expand and get the answers. Expand the binomial by binomial theorem 1 plus x by 2 minus 2 by x whole raised to 4. They ask us to expand it and get the answer. So let's start right away and let's see how we can go in for the expansion. The problem is slightly different because we have not seen 3 terms till now. So that way it is slightly different. Yeah, but otherwise it's just the normal expansion that we do, and let's see how we can get it. For our convenience, let's have it like 1 plus and let's have this term as a second term and let's work it out. Let's see how it comes. So we have, sorry. Yeah, the expansion will come up like 4c0 1 raised to 4 actually, no need to write that. 4c1, all the 1 terms will not write. Why? Because 1 raised to anything is itself. So everything that is raised to 1 we will not henceforth write, because we have been doing it all this time. We have become quite an expert in all that. So 4c1 x by 2 minus 2 by x, 4c2 x by 2 minus 2 by x raised to 2, 4c3 x by 2 minus 2 by x whole raised to 3, 4c4 x by 2 minus 2 by x whole raised to 4. First let's have this coefficient settled and then we'll go in for the expansion. 4c0 we know is 1, 4c4 we know is 4, and this we know it's 0, 4c3 we know is 4. So we only have to know what is 4c2. Do we know what is 4c2? If we don't know, we will try it and we'll find out what it is. 4c2 is 4 factorial by 2 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 3 into 4, so 6 comes up as 6. And let's see now how this is going to work. This is 1 raised to 4, which is 1. This is 4 times x by 2 minus 2 by x. 4c2 it's 6 times, let's open up the bracket, a minus b the whole squared expands as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this will come as x squared by 4 plus 4 by x squared minus 2. And 4c3 we know is 4, and let's see the expansion of this. X by 2 minus 2 by x, the whole cube we know, we'll expand it by cubes. X by 2 raised to 3 minus 2 by x raised to 3, then minus 3 x by 2 raised to 2 into 2 by x, and 3 times x by 2 and 2 by x raised to 2. That's the expansion of the cube term. And 4c4 we know is 1, and x by 2 minus 2 by x raised to 4 means it is square term the whole squared. So we are looking out for square of this. So we are looking out for x squared by 4 plus 4 by x squared minus 2 the whole squared. That probably can get it simplified in the next upcoming term. 1 plus, let's open the bracket, 4x by 2 minus 8 by x. Next term, 6x squared by 4, we are opening in the bracket, 24 by x squared minus 12. Let's have this simplified. It is 4 times x cubed by 8 minus 8 by x cube. Then next term, it is 6, and in the denominator we have 4. You have x squared x. Then this is one of the 2's can get cut, and 6, and x is there in the denominator, right? And this the whole squared. So therefore this is going to be x squared by 4 whole squared means it's x raised to 4 by 16. Then 16 by x raised to 4. First it is like a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. That's how the expansion will go. So we are expanding this whole squared, it's 4. Then plus 2 into this. So that's just 2. Then 2 into this. So that's minus 16 by x squared, and 2 into. So it's going to be right. So that's about the terms, and we'll have to just collect the like terms and see how it is coming. Yeah, this has to be expanded. So This is 4x cube by 8, 32 by x cube. Then this is 4 into 4 into, yeah, no, was it 4 or 6 that was lying outside? 4, 4, yes. So let's have this solved now. 4 plus 2, it's 6, and 1 7, plus 7 minus 12 is minus 5. Okay, what else? Is there any other like term? X squared, x raised to 4 by 16. Let's take the cube term. Do we have a cube term? Yes, it is x cube by 2. Okay, then let's take the square term. There are two square terms, this and this. So this is 3 by 2x squared when we solve it. 3 by 2 means 1 and a half. 1 and a half minus 1 is half. So it's x squared by 2. Then we have the x term, that is 2x over here. 2x is there, and this is minus 6x. So that's probably minus 4x. Minus 4x. Then we have the by x term. So wait, did we consider all the terms? Minus 6 plus 4 x terms. Where all do we have the x terms? X squared, let me check the x squared term. It is minus x squared. So that is, that's correct. Now x term, we have one here, which is minus 6x plus 2x. So that's minus 4x. Yeah, that's correct. So we are done with the x term. Now we come to the by x. By x term is only 1. So minus 8 by x. Then by x squared term. That is minus 16 by x squared. Then by x cube term. Minus 32 by x cube. Then by x raised to 4 term. So that is x raised to 4, 16 by x raised to 4. Okay, so this is how it is coming up. We will just give a by and large check of all this. X raised to 4, 16, x cubed by 2, then x squared by 2 minus 4x minus 5. 32 by x cube, 16 by x raised to 4. By x and 8 by x squared. Those two we have to check once again. Yes, minus 8 by x plus 24 by x. So that will come to 16 by x. Yes, we have missed a term. Minus 16, not minus, it's plus. Plus 16 by x. And then we have the x squared term is minus 16 by x squared. And there is a 24 by x squared. That makes it 8 by x squared. That's also correct. Plus 8 by x squared. Fine. So that's how the terms are working out, and that's about our first problem. Now we'll quickly go to the second problem. That is also an expansion problem where they give us what? They are giving us 3x squared minus 2ax plus 3a squared raised to 3. Whatever way you want, as we clubbed it here, club two terms and then go about expanding this. Ideally, we should be clubbing 3 times x squared plus a squared, and then let's club this 2ax. And then do is raised to 3. So this is 3c0 3x squared plus a squared whole raised to 3. And then we could have the next term is starting, so plus 3c1, and then we can have 3 times x squared plus a squared whole raised to 2, and then minus 2ax. Then you have 3c2, and then we have 3x squared plus a squared raised to 1 and minus 2ax whole squared, and then 3c3 minus 2ax whole raised to 3. This is how the expansion goes, and then we can check. But whether we know most of the things, we know 3c1 we know, and therefore we know 3c2. Yeah, most of the terms we know. This is going to be 3c0 is 1, so this is 27 times x squared plus a squared whole raised to 3, and this is 3, so, and this is going to be 9 because of the square, so it's going to be again 27, also 27 and that minus 2, so it's going to be minus 54. Minus 54 times x, and that is going to expand with x squared plus a squared whole squared, and then this is 3, so 3 3s are 9 and 4, so that's 36. 36 a squared x squared expanding with x squared plus a squared, and then this 3c3 it's 1, so it's going to be 8, so that's minus 8, and a cube x cube. Let's further see how this can work. We have the x cubes here, so it's 27 times x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6 plus 3x raised to 4 a squared plus 3x squared a raised to 4. The expansion x plus y the whole cube expands as x cube plus y cube plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared. Exactly that we have used here, and this is a square expansion. Let's have it. Ax times not only the expansion, then we have to get this inside also, x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 plus 2x squared a squared, and this when it goes inside, it is 36 a squared x raised to 4. Next one, it is 36 a raised to 4 x squared, and the last term is 8 a cube x cube. Alright, let's see what more we can do here. It is 27 x raised to 6, 27 a raised to 6, 27 into 3, 7 3s are 21, 81, yeah, x raised to 4 a squared, again 81 x squared a raised to 4, then minus 54 a x raised to 5, minus 54 a raised to 5x, and minus 108 x cube a cube, and then what? Yeah, then these terms as it is, 36 a squared x raised to 4 plus 36 a raised to 4 x squared minus 8 a cube x cube. Okay, 27 x raised to 6 and 27 a raised to 6 doesn't have a company, it will come as it is, but let's check if this has got a, yeah, these both are like, so 81 plus, it's going to make 7 and 11, 117 x raised to 4 a squared. Same way, if you could have these two added up, 117 a raised to 4 x squared, so that's done. Then no, you don't have a raised to 5 term, so 54 minus 54 a x raised to 5 minus 54 a raised to 5x x cube a cube, yeah, that's minus 116 a cube x cube. I hope they're done. Let me check the terms. 27 54 minus 54, yes, then 117, that's right, then 116, yes, again 117, and then minus 54, and then plus, yeah, that's how the terms work out. So this was about the expansion of the given terms. Only thing, the last two problems, we have never done terms with three expansions with 3 terms. We have taken up the 3 terms, clubbed them together, expanded, and this is how we have got the answer. So with this we finish the chapter 8. Next, in the next video we start with the chapter 9. Thank you.